Go.
Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Yesterday afternoon we decided to take a little trip and come down to Morong Bataan to visit some of our friends. We have some friends, Australian and Filipinos, that owns a resort here in Morong. The name of the resort is Island Waters Resort. So we had like a 2.5-hour trip down here, and we thought we were going to hit some rain. We got lucky and didn't have any rain. So now we're here. We are going to do a little update, and you just show them a little bit around. Move the camera around a little bit and show the beaches. Beautiful beaches here. It's a little windy today, and you might hear some of the wind in the microphone. Hope that doesn't disturb you. This is a fully uncut, unedited piece. Don't have internet good enough. We're just going to do a short little video, upload it, and let you guys know what we're doing. Anyway, last night they told us they are going to sell the resort, so I said, why don't we do a little blog about the hotel, the amenities, the rooms, the kitchen area, the pool area, the restaurant, the beaches, and that's what we are doing today. And tomorrow or the following day, we will put that up for you. So we just wanted to come online for a couple of minutes, give you some updates of what we're doing. For now, we are saying goodbye, and tomorrow we will see you again. God bless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get some updates from us tomorrow.